Awesome, it worked. Okay. So, example 4, solve the equation. So it's a solve, not a proof. Cos 4x cos x plus sine 4x sine x equals 1. Any suggestions? Anything that you notice? You've got the cos alpha minus beta formula, because this is our alpha, this is our beta, this is our alpha, this is our beta. So we can rewrite the left side as cos 4x minus x, which would make it cos 3x equals 1. So a lot of things in math are about thinking about what you know, recognizing things, and once you recognize something, change it and see what you get. So we recognized cos plus sine as the cos alpha minus beta formula. Plug that in, and then we get cos 3x equals 1. What do we recognize now? It's a multi-revolution question. So we recognize that. So we say, well, how do we do our multi-revolution questions? Well, first of all, we said if 1x was between 0 and 2 pi, 3x's would be between 0 and 6 pi, 3 times around. Is cos ever equal to 1? When? 0 and 2 pi, but that's only once around. Second time around would be 4 pi. Third time around, 6 pi, but 6 pi, you're right. Notice there's no equal sign with 6 pi's. You might be tempted to write 6 pi, but then have to, yeah, well, it looks, no, this is not an x. This is a fancy pi that you're not allowed to write in your notes because it's too fancy. Okay, so yeah, not only because we wrote a 6x, but we also, like, yeah, so we got to cancel that out because the 6 pi isn't included. So it's just 0, 2 pi, and 4 pi. Then what would x be? Divide by 3. 0 divided by 3 is? Good. 2 pi over 3. And 4 pi over 3. Easy. No problems. So the questions you can do for this one are 15 and 17. And the questions you can do for pi over 12 are number 7. And I believe that is it. Number 7 for the pi over 12s.